This is a case of not being properly prepared. So we're gonna go to the house, completely resuit up, and we'll be back in just a second. Oh, it's here. Look, look. This is it. This is it. This is what I've been talking about. We are starting a new video, as you can tell. You've just clicked it, boom, here we are. And you're lucky because me and the original Dobo, just found the bridge I've been looking for. We didn't have time when Ed Ricker came out here, but we made time. When I came here, the snow has melted off enough that we can get down there and get some crazy shots. So this video will be consisting of the Mavic Air 2S, as well as the DJI FPV drone. Stay tuned as we try to find our way down there.
We don't have a map. Where's the map? Where's the map? Where's the map?
I'm the map, I'm the map, I'm the map!
We don't have a signal worth of crap here, so I should have probably figured out how to get to that road down there first, but we'll figure it out. Look at this rock formation. Looks like nothing here, but watch it now. We just got to figure out how to get the hell down there. Yep, we found it. We found a cool spot to just park and chill and do a little flying by this bridge. If you are looking for more information about the Mavic Air 2S, we are doing a few videos on my channel and as well as his. So make sure you subscribe to his channel if you aren't already. How's it flying, Ken?
It's okay.
What are you feeling?
A little latency.
You think the wires?
Maybe.
There are a ton of telephone wires just like everywhere, and they're really, really thin. And we didn't see them from way up there. You hit a wire? Where are you? Oh, there you are. Right there. Almost hit a wire. No, that's a bird. There's a wire right there. A lot of wires. If I fly mine, I think I'm gonna fly it normal mode and just take it real slow. That way I don't. Car coming. This is the nicest thing about having Ken up here is we're able to spot each other while we have the goggles on, do everything the right way. He's following the train tracks. I can visually watch his drone as he's getting shots like this. news is I didn't hit anything. I didn't lose the drone. It's right here. And I got some cool footage using normal and sports mode. Didn't feel like doing acro. I left all the acro flying for Ken. I don't know why there's a dead bird there, but there's a dead bird there and nothing's eaten it yet. So that tells me it's somewhat fresh. There's also a whole bunch of like memorial things along the road here where people have died. I don't know if it's a car wreck or if somebody jumped and killed themselves or what. It's sort of sad. It'd really be crazy. It's just such a cool view. Ken's finishing his vlog there and we're gonna take off and go somewhere else in just a minute.
So I don't have to worry about any traffic coming through, which is a good thing. So we'll go find somewhere else to fly.
I was so stoked to be able to find this bridge. This is something I've wanted to do for a long time. And as I get better flying this in manual, I do think I'll come back eventually and try to power loop some of this stuff. I'm pretty happy with the flight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well. Make sure you go check out the original Dobo's channel because he's gonna be posting some stuff about this bridge too if he hasn't already. If you haven't subscribed, make sure to do that and click the little bell notification. And if you want to support the channel, pick up your World of Oz merch through the link in the description below. Thanks everyone for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Can't block it out, what? Ah! Live in a vacation area, we still have to get out of here. What's a trip to California without going to Santa Monica Pier and the beach with the kids and the family, the dogs?